Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to outline text in Canva, a super useful trick if you want your lettering to really stand out in your designs, whether that's for thumbnails, social posts, or presentations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly create outline text that grabs attention and gives your graphics that polished, professional look. Let's jump right in. First, let's open up Canva. If you haven't already, just head over to Canva.com in your browser. It works whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or even a tablet. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is free and just takes a moment and you'll be right where you need to be. Once you're at the main dashboard, look for that big inviting create button, usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click. Now we want to start with a clean canvas at a specific size, so go ahead and choose custom size. For this demo, let's set the dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. Of course, you can adjust those numbers depending on your project, but this size is perfect for trying out simple text effects without your workspace feeling cluttered. As soon as your blank canvas pops up, it's time to add some text. You can find the text tool easily. Just look for the text option on the left-hand menu. When you click that, you'll see options like add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Any of these will work, but let's go for add a heading to make sure our text is nice and bold. Type in whatever words you'd like, maybe your name, a phrase, or even something simple like outline text, just so you can see the effect as clearly as possible. Now, before we add the outline, feel free to experiment a little with the font style. Canva gives you a huge selection here, from playful handwritten types to super clean modern fonts. Try clicking through a few and watch how each style affects the overall vibe. Don't worry if you're feeling indecisive. You can always change fonts later on, even after you've applied the outline effect. Ready to add that outline? With your text selected, look above your canvas for the toolbar. You'll see an Effects button, which is usually right beside Animate. Click on Effects. This is where Canva hides some really fun ways to tweak your text. In the Effects panel, you'll spot several options, but what we want is called Hollow. Give it a click. Instantly, your solid text will transform, showing only the outer edges, the outline, while the inside becomes transparent. It might take a second to get used to, but it's super handy for adding depth and contrast, especially if you want your words to pop against a busy background or over an image. Don't forget, you can adjust the thickness of the outline to get just the look you want. You'll see a slider labeled something like thickness or weight. Play around with this, slide it left for a thinner line or right for a bolder outline. There's no perfect setting, so trust your eye, and remember you can always come back and tweak this part if you change your design later. Sometimes, if you're working with a delicate script font, a thinner outline looks more elegant, while blocky fonts can handle a nice chunky border. And that's basically it. You've just added an outline to your text in Canva. Super simple but incredibly effective, right? Now you can incorporate outline text into all sorts of creative projects. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If it made your Canva journey a little easier, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you run into any questions or if there's another Canva trick you love to see explained. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more easy graphic design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.